Hello everybody, today we are going to see Erba Mannheim's Amylase kit. So this is the front view of the kit. And this is the side view of the kit. So you can see here Amylase kit. The catalog number for it is 121026. This is a 5 into 22 ml pack. And this kit contains amylase reagent of 5 bottles, each 22 ml, and you can see this is like C certified, and it needs to be stored between a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and you can find the expiry here. It has a standard expiry of 2 years, and this is the side view of it. And this is the top and the front view of the kit. And this is the back view of the kit. Okay guys, to sum up, this is Erba Mannheim's Amylase kit. The catalog number for it is 121026. This is the Amylase kit. The pack size of this kit is 5 into 22 ml. This kit contains amylase reagent of 5 into 22 ml. This is a C certified product, and it needs to be stored between a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The kit has a standard expiry of 2 years. So this is the kit. Thank you.